in conjunction with World Earth Day recently, Shangri-La Rasa Sayang Resort and Spa, together with our sister property, Golden Sand Resort, organized a food trail for all the top food bloggers and journalists in Penang. We visit the GST Fish Farm. It was a very interesting and education trip for all of us. We learned about ecologically and ethically farmed fish from species such as garupa, red snapper, golden snapper, and goby fish and more. GST Group has been supplying some sustainable seafood to our resort for several years now. Wow, that was an amazing trip! We also offer spices and herbs grown in our gardens, plus locally sourced organic vegetables and fruits. After an interesting and educational trip to GST Group Fish Farm, we continue our journey back to the resort, where our guests sample 6 rooted in nature dishes at our restaurant. We serve sustainable seafood on our menu and provide healthier choices of organic, free-range poultry, and beef without the presence of pesticides, hormones, or antibiotics. So, the next time you visit Rasa Sayang or Golden Sand Resort, look out for the Rooted in Nature logo on our menu. Let's eat healthier and wisely. Earth Day happens only once a year, but at our resort, every day is a Earth Day in Shangri-La Kitchen.